Dear viewers and students, today we are going to discuss about a family Poaceae. The name Poaceae is given by the taxonomist Barnhart. The conjunct name of the family is Gramineae. The popular name of the family is the grass family. The taxonomic position according to Cronquist, as we are still using the Cronquist system, the kingdom is Plantae, division Magnoliophyta, class Liliopsida. Class means Liliopsida means monocotyledon, subclass Commonality, order Cyperales, family Poaceae. Now, how to identify the crops of this family? Number one, stem is round, cylindrical, solid node with hollow internode, and stem is called culm. We can see a picture of culm. This is the culm. Actually, this is the stem of rice plant. This is node and this is internode. The stem is round, cylindrical and glabrous. This is the leaf system. Number two identifying character is the presence of auricule and ligule in the junction between leaf sheath and leaf plate. We can see the picture. This is the junction. This is ligule, a membranous structure, and this is auricule, a thread-like structure. This portion is leaf plate and this portion is leaf sheath. Number three identifying character is the bracts are present, which are known as bloom. Two types of bloom can be found in the family Poaceae. Number one, sterile bloom, and number two, fertile bloom. Fertile bloom has two parts, lemma and the pellia. You can see the image of bloom. This is the inflorescence. This is a spike. This is spike content. This is a spikelet. Actually, this is a spikelet. The spikelet contain a floret. This is bract. The lemma and the pellia. This is ludicule, the converted portion of calyx and corolla. This endoecium, this gynoecium. This is minute flower which is known as floret. So this is a spikelet. So the inflorescence is pinnacle of spikelet. The ludicule, as we already discussed about the ludicule, is the modification of calyx and corolla, which is known as perianth. The unit of perianth is known as ludicule. Here the ludicule is very minute, small. Ludicule is present. The stigma is feathery and divided into two parts, that means bilobed. We can see the image of stigma. This is the stigma. This is stigma. This is the carpel, and this is the ovary. This is stigma, and this is style. The stigma is divided into two parts. The stigma is feathery, feather-like structure, and this is the stamen. This is the filament. This is anther. This is connective, and here in the rice, this is the rice spikelet. There are 6 stamens arranged in 2 holes. This one hole, this another holes. This is lemma, this is lemma, and this is pelea. The fruit is caryopsis. Now we are going to discuss some external morphology of the plant of Poaceae family. At first, we can consider the habit of the plants of Poaceae family, generally annual or perennial herbs, rarely shrubs or even tree, for example, the bamboo. Root system, the seminal root system destroy and thereafter adventitious roots developed. Stem, the stem is always cylindrical and distinctly joint, mostly hollow but solid in maize or wood in bamboo. The hollow internodes and solid node is called cum. The leaf is simple alternate sessile composed of leaf sheath and leaf blade. Inflorescence usually terminal on the cum, compound spike which may be sessile or stalked, or sometimes the panicle. The flower is known as floret, bracteate, lemma or philia. Here bract is lemma philia, bisexual or hermaphrodite or monoecious. Monoecious is found in maize, zygomorphic, hypogynous. Perianth usually represented by ludicules, which is hyaline or colorless, fleshy scale or membranous, hygroscopic in nature. Normally, ludicule is the combination of calyx and corolla. Androecium stamens are generally 3 or 6, that means trimerous, located in two holes, anther versatile, which is usually dehisces by longitudinal slits, normally লম্বালম্বিভাবে ফেটে যায়. Gynoecium carpel 1, placentation basal, stigma filaria, stigma bilobed. Fruit is caryopsis and dry, one-seeded. Seed starchy, endospermic, and embryo at the base of abaxial phase. Floral formula is gloom representing the tract. This is zygomorphic. This is hermaphrodite or bisexual. This is perianth. Perianth number might be 2 or 3 or maybe absent. Androecium stamen might be 3 or 6. Gynoecium ovary superior. Carpel 2 or 3, syncarpus. This is the diagram of different parts of the rice plant representing the Poaceae family. This is the panicle, this is the flag leaf, and this is empty gloom, this is fertile gloom, this is lemma pelea, this is ludicule, this is androecium, the stamen, and this is gynoecium, the carpel. This is the stamen, this is anther filament, and this is a floral diagram. And here is the floral plants, that means crop plants of this family. We can say the number 1 is the rice, which is also known as paddy. In Bangla we call the dhan. The scientific name is Oryza sativa. The plant parts used is seed, usefulness used as food, grain. And number 2 is wheat. Bangla name is gom. Scientific name Triticum aestivum. The seed is used for food. Number 3, the maize, Bangla name is Bhutta, scientific name Jia maize, plant parts used seed, used as food and fodder. Number 4, barley, is also Bangla is barley or para. The scientific is Hordeum bulgar. The plant parts used is seed, used as food. This another is oat, Bangla is also oat, scientific Avinia sativa, seed used as food. Sugarcane, this is in Bangla Ikhu অথবা Poaceae অথবা আখ, scientific name Saccharum officinarum, plant was used as a stem, used for the production of sugar. And as millets, different type of millets. And another one is sorghum. Sorghum in Bangla also sorghum bicolor in scientific name. Seed is used as economic purpose, used as food. Another is pearl millet, bajra, panicum, typhoids, seed used as food. The rye, sickle cereally, seed used as food. Finger millet, marut or marua, Illucinia Poaceae, seed used as food. Foxtail millet, Ceteria italica, seed used as food. So bamboo used for the household work. Lemongrass is used as spices. So this is the field view of rice plant and the most important crop plants of Poaceae family. This is wheat, the variety Barigum 30. This is another, the second most important crop of Poaceae family. This is tritically also a cereal crops under the Poaceae family. This is barley. Scientific name হলো Hordeum bulgar. এইটাও Gramineae ফ্যামিলি অথবা Poaceae। এইখানে এই যে লিফের দুইটা পার্ট আছে, লিফ শেপ, লিফলেট, জাংশনে আছে এই যে অরিকুল, দুই পাশে অরিকুল, এইখানে লিকিউর। আর এইটাও স্টেম হলো স্টেম কাম। আর এইখানেও আমরা দেখতেছি যে এটা ইনফ্লোরেসেন্স হলো স্পাইক অফ দ্য স্পাইকলেট। এখানে অনেকগুলো স্পাইকলেট আছে। এই স্পাইকলেটের মধ্যে লেমাফিলি আছে, আর এর মধ্যে ওনটা খুবই লম্বা। হুইট এবং বার্লির মধ্যে একটা পার্থক্য হলো কি, ওনটা খুবই লম্বা হয়, আর এইখানে যে গ্রেন যেটা ফ্রুটটার মধ্যে থাকে, হাঁস থাকে, কিন্তু হুইটের ক্ষেত্রে হাঁস থাকে না। আর এটা একটু ইলংগেটেড এবং ন্যারো। আর এইখানে ইনফ্লোরেসেন্সের ক্ষেত্রে আমরা দেখছি যে এটা স্পাইক এবং একটা স্পাইক অনেকগুলো স্পাইকলেট ধারণ করছে, এই জন্য এটাকে বলা হয় স্পাইক অফ দ্য স্পাইকলেট। And this is the maize. Is monoecious plant. Two parts, male and female flowers are produced separately in the same plant. This is the female flower, which is known as cough. This is the male flower. This is known as tassel. This is millets. This is pearl millet. This is foxtail millet. This is sorghum bicolor.